So this design was inspired by Sir Ni Amuda. He's a content creator. So in today's video, we want to learn how to create this circular pixel stretch manipulation. So it's actually done with PixelLab and PicsArt. So without much ado, let's get firstly is to come to your PicsArt. So welcome back to PicsArt, guys. So this is our PicsArt, and you just need to come to this tool menu. You just need to import this image. This is a PNG image, and you come to your tool. These tools are explained in the introduction to PicsArt. You can check the description to learn how to do that. So I'll come to my stretch. So I'll come to this Swift CW. So I'll just tap on it again and reduce my size like this and adjust my power. So let's see what we can do right here. You can see it's rotating, so let's increase the size a bit too. So this is what we want to achieve. You need to keep holding on it. You can mix other color with it, so like this. Just make sure it's to your taste. Yeah, I'm loving what I'm seeing this way, so I'm okay with this. I don't want this video to be lengthy. I'll just click on check mark here, and you can see this option. Just tap on it. So guys, welcome back to PixelLab. Okay, so we need to import our elements. So you just need to come to your square size and circle. So then you adjust it like this. You crop it. This is only the portion we are needing. So I'll click on OK. So we have this. Okay, so we have this. We have this. So I'll be coming to my import again. Okay, so here is it. What you just need to do is to adjust the tool like this. So I'll just come here to my shadow and enable the shadow to make it more real. So just reduce the shadow like this, then click on OK. So you can work on the offset. So we have something like this, and let's lock this. So we want to work on the design we did on PicsArt like this. So when I erase this, let's check what we have. Okay, let's adjust this. You can see it's making sense, guys. So I know you've been seeing this on Photoshop, and I hope you found this very helpful. So I'll be seeing you guys with an awesome tutorial another time. Peace.